Artificial intelligence (AI) is rapidly transforming our world, including how we understand and interact with our feline companions. Recent developments in AI have led to interesting insights about the intelligence of domestic cats. 1. Cat-level AI. While AI can now perform impressive feats like writing, painting, and creating music, Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis has asserted that current AI models haven't yet reached the intelligence level of a domestic cat. He believes that before achieving human-level HLAI, we'll need to reach cat-level and dog-level AI. 2. AI for cat understanding. AI is being used to analyze and interpret feline behavior. Researchers are developing AI algorithms that can recognize cat vocalizations and movements, potentially leading to better understanding of their communication and needs. In summary, AI is influencing our understanding of domestic cats in a multifaceted way. While AI models still lag behind feline intelligence, AI is becoming increasingly instrumental in studying and interpreting cat behavior, potentially paving the way for a more nuanced and harmonious relationship between humans and their feline companions.